Every time you fly, drive, or turn on the lights, there's a good chance Curtiss-Wright's technology is helping make that happen. Curtiss-Wright is a global manufacturer of pressure relief valves. Those valves are used for a variety of different applications, everything from refining to petrochemical. Our valves really are the last line of defense to prevent an overpressurization, protecting our customers' capital assets and complex systems.
Our main goal is to provide the best support to our customers that we can, and in order to do that, we really want to make sure that we're improving our processes as much as possible. One area of improvement that we really saw was our assembly and WIP, or our work in progress. We had a team managing our orders basically by way of paper forms. This was causing a lot of issues trying to locate valves and orders on the floor, as you know, we can't really trace with paper. So we're really looking for some way to better support what we needed in finding orders on the floor.
And so we chose Zebra products from our sister companies, had worked with them closely. Essentially, we wanted to go with somebody that had a strong background in the sense of tracking our products.
The RFID implementation has completely transformed our business. So we went from a business where, we spent hours looking for product in order to provide accurate and concise feedback to our customers, to now at the push of a button, we get our status real time that our customers can rely on in order for them to plan their operation effectively.
We print an RFID label for each order through the system. There's readers all set up throughout the facility. We have an excess of 30 readers that are dropped down from the roof. And as the product goes from different areas, it updates through the software of the location of the order. So we can, again, see live feedback and provide that to our customers externally as well as internally. Essentially, we had mixed members going throughout the facility while trying to find an update for one order. Essentially, now we're down to just one team member providing that update, and sometimes less than 10 minutes.
It allows our team to dive more into the problematic valves versus spending time just searching for valves.
Our communication, our on-time delivery, our commitment to our customers is definitely improving throughout, and the implementation of this process has yielded those results.